Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video to compare the Oneplus Nord 2 versus the iQOO 7 device. Yes friends, a lot of users they are really confused which phone to buy. Should they wait for the Oneplus Nord 2 or should they pick the iQOO 7 device? That is what this entire video is about. So try to watch till end of the video friends. What are my impressions about this Oneplus Nord 2 right now, because by the time I am making this video the Oneplus Nord 2 didn't get launched in India. So we do know the basic specifications, what we can actually expect, what are the things are really improved, what are the things are better and what are the things are not better when compared with the iQOO 7 device. That is what I'll try to give my quick idea. So this might help few other users as well. And in case if you want me to buy the Oneplus Nord 2 device, kindly donate some amount to my number which is given there to the phone pay, GPay or Paytm. That will be really good, and these are my few recent subscribers who did donate me and within a few hours of posting this number. Thank you for all your donations friends. I really appreciate your efforts. Seriously, thank you for all. I did not expect this many people would be donating within these few hours, but it's really good. Thank you for you all. In every video I try to mention this kind of donations who are the subscribers who did donate to me. That is the reason I thought of making a small note and keeping it there. So it's really good even for them to see as well in my videos their names. So now let's get started with the Oneplus Nord 2 or the iQOO 7 device. So first thing, basically at the beginning only I'm trying to say, if you're planning to buy the mobile phone for the gaming, so try to choose Snapdragon processor. Yes friends, doesn't matter what company it is, I think so, hopefully. So because the Snapdragon processors are really optimized for the gamers, the games will be really updated. That is what happened for the Realme X1 Max users. The Realme X1 Max user, the games are not that optimized, and 120 FPS gaming are also not supported in few of the games. So just couple of hours ago I did a video on this one. So doing testing mid-range segment mobile phone. POCO X3 can do 120 FPS but not this phone. This hardware is really good but the optimization is not that good. That's gonna happen with the OnePlus phone. That is what I was expecting. This is one thing. For the gamers, try to select the Snapdragon processor. This is one thing which I can definitely advise. But one thing is that the processor in the OnePlus Nord 2 is of 1200 AI, so which is artificial intelligence, slightly added advantage, not for the gaming but it added advantage for the camera and while recording and while watching videos, which is MEMC feature which is present in the Mi11X device, so which is slightly enhancing the resolution from normal 722 HD kind of resolution which is present in this phone, and even the display chipset is present in the iQOO 7 device. Same that kind of chipset we can actually expect with this kind of 1200 AI, but I don't think the games will be kind of really optimized. It should be kind of same kind of situation like the Realme X1 Max itself. That is the reason I thought of mentioning. So iQOO 7 we do know the Snapdragon 870 which is really good. So 870, what I like is the performance is really great and the battery life is efficient and temperature is also really maintaining really good. So when compared with the Snapdragon 888, the performance is super but temperatures will be really high and battery draining will be there. So this is a balanced processor which a lot of users also recommended. Yes, the Snapdragon 870 is really balanced. That is what I did like in the iQOO 7. Not only in the iQOO 7, even in Mi11X device, any smartphone which has 870, this is what I'll try to mention. So in case if you're looking to buy for the gaming, try to select the Snapdragon. So in this case you do have the iQOO 7, so that is the option which you got for the gaming. So next, in terms of the display friends, in terms of the display, it's totally iQOO 3 is a winner because we do have the 120Hz refresh rate. So we do need the future proof option every time before buying this much of spending this much of money. Always we need to check the future proof. For example, battery, display and processor. These three and the camera. These four are the fundamental building blocks for the future proof smartphones. Always select the maximum out of everything. So in the refresh rate we are getting only 120Hz and the brightness is 1300 nits in the iQOO 7 device, and the OnePlus Nord 2 we are getting about 90 Hz of refresh rate. That is what the specs and leaks everything are getting rumored. 90 Hz refresh rate we might see, and the brightness also will be kind of close to 1000 nits or 1100 nits, which we did see in the OnePlus Nord CE and other smartphones. So that is one thing which I thought of just mentioning, and big screen versus small screen as well. So in terms of the Fluid AMOLED and AMOLED, I don't think that much difference you can actually expect between this kind of quality. It should be kind of good apart from the refresh rate. So in the refresh rate segment, iQOO 7 is the winner, and even the brightness also iQOO 7, even the big display also iQOO 7. And next in processor also, Snapdragon processor absolutely is a preferable. So iQOO 7 is a slightly advantage in this kind of race as well. So next in the UFS storage 2.1, so which they did mention, I'm not sure which will be kind of accurate or not. So UFS 3.1 which is present in the iQOO 7 device. So regarding the camera, so where I'm really having some kind of confidence in the OnePlus Nord 2 is because of this 50 megapixel AI processing. Yes, Because of this Dimensity 1200 AI chipset, the things might get really good with the OnePlus Nord 2 in terms of the camera. Yeah, this is what this AI does. The AI will definitely enhance the image quality and video recording quality as well. That is what the characteristics of this AI chipset in the Dimensity 200. And while watching videos, this color boosting will be there. These are the things which are this chipset is related. So in terms of the camera wise, I do believe the OnePlus Nord 2 will be the slightly the winner in terms of the camera a little bit, since I did not use the mobile phone, because I cannot say that. But if I get sufficient amount of money, definitely I'll 100% I'll try to buy the OnePlus Nord 2 device for you all. So definitely friends, thank you for all your support. I can definitely see that kind of support from you all. And again, the front camera is slightly higher, 32 megapixel. We can actually see a little bit kind of more. That is what I'll try to check the camera, because right now I cannot say anything about the camera because they are trying to use different chipset for the first time. So once I get the mobile phone, I'll try to definitely do the comparison. So next, regarding the battery, the OnePlus Nord 2 is expected to have the 4500 mAh of capacity, which is pretty normal nowadays, and the charging is 30 watts. That's not, I'm not accurate with the charging speed, so this might get changed. Maybe this is just only the leaks itself. So 30 watts is charging, and the iQOO 7, we do know the phone has got 66 watt, 100% in 22 minutes, but in my testing I got it within 26 minutes. Yes friends, in my testing 26 minutes and 25 minutes. So make sure to check those videos in case if you don't believe me. Yes, the phone can actually do that, but if you need to maintain the really low temperatures with the iQOO 7 smartphone. So overall, in terms of the battery life, I can definitely say that I cannot say anything right now because I did not use the OnePlus Nord 2 because of the UI and very less bloatware and everything. Maybe the battery life might be slight good, but in my testing I need to do in my way. Only then I'll be able to judge the phone, not now. And other features include the Wi-Fi 6 capability is there in the iQOO 7 device. Yes, iQOO 7 has got Wi-Fi 6. I did plenty of videos on that topic as well. Make sure to check those videos. So the Wi-Fi 6, even I'm not sure whether I can see the Wi-Fi 6 capabilities or not. I hope the OnePlus Nord 2 will have the Wi-Fi 6, because another Dimensity process, Realme X1 Max also has got the Wi-Fi 6. I think you should be having the Wi-Fi 6 as a future-proof option. So friends, this is a complete comparison between both phones. I think you got a clear idea. So for the gaming, choose iQOO 7 device for the gaming. Yes, absolutely. And for the photography and all those details, you need to wait for my review. Until the review comes, you will be able to know what are the things the OnePlus Nord 2 has got. That is what I'm going to show you once I buy the mobile phone. And the things which I like in the OnePlus Nord, I'm really excited is because of this camera and because of the chipset. These are the two things which I'm really excited for the OnePlus, how well OnePlus will be optimizing the Dimensity processor, because I just want to see same processor in both phones, but how the OnePlus will treat the optimization. That is what I want for the gaming. So make sure to donate some money, and definitely friends, I'll try to plan the OnePlus Nord 2. And thank you for all your donations. I'm saying again and again because I did not expect, and thank you for all these people who did donate me. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Until then, bye.